Kate here at WTI, and we are loving this industrial shelving from THRONKENGER. This one has 3 shelves and this really nice dark gray industrial piping. It looks so cool in his room. I love the quality. It goes together really well and it feels nice and sturdy when it's all assembled. The rods are heavy, the wood has a nice finish. The whole thing together just goes so well. All of the piping comes separate and you just screw it together. The threading is very good. It really tightens up nicely. We've had no issues with cross threading or anything. Once it's together, you have 4 areas where you can screw into the wall. It did come with anchors. We were screwing into wood, so we were totally fine, but otherwise you are all prepared. These shelves will hold a substantial amount of weight. They're very sturdy. Of course, my son is housing all of his collection of Funko Pops, but you can put whatever you want on here. You can put it in any room. It's really gonna help to clean up your space, give you a spot to put everything, but display it nicely. So if you're looking for similar, I really love the quality of this one. We are very, very happy with it, and I think you will be too. And that's my point of view.